into night. Robots in disguise, they soar and fly. The transform